The word amount is a very common word in English. It helps to talk about how much of something there is. This lesson will explain what amount means, how to use it, and how it is different from the word number. Learning this word will make English easier to understand and use in daily life. Welcome to Wordscience, where learning words is simple and fun. The word amount means the total or quantity of something. It tells how much of something exists. For example, when talking about water, sugar, or money, amount helps to describe the total. It does not tell the exact number of things, but it shows how much there is in general. Amount is used with uncountable things. Uncountable things are things that cannot be counted one by one. For example, water, rice, milk, air, and love are uncountable. We cannot say one water or two waters. So, we use amount to talk about them. For example, the amount of water in the glass is small. When talking about countable things, we usually do not use amount. Countable things are things that can be counted, like apples, books, or cars. We can say 1 apple, 2 apples, or 3 apples. For these, we use the word number instead of amount. For example, the number of apples on the table is 5. The difference between amount and number is simple. Amount is for uncountable things, and number is for countable things. If something can be counted, use number. If it cannot be counted, use amount. This small rule helps to make English sentences correct and clear. Here are some examples with amount. The amount of sugar in this cake is high. The amount of rain this week is low. The amount of time we have is short. In all these sentences, the things, sugar, rain, and time, cannot be counted one by one. That is why amount is used. Now, some examples with number. The number of students in the class is 20. The number of cars in the parking lot is large. The number of days in a week is 7. These examples show that number is used when we can count the things. Sometimes people make mistakes and use amount with countable things. For example, saying the amount of apples is 5 is wrong. It should be the number of apples is 5. Remember this rule to sound more natural in English. Amount can also be used in daily life to talk about money, time, or effort. For example, the amount of money I spent was small. The amount of time I need is short. The amount of effort you gave is great. These sentences show how amount helps to describe totals in many situations. To practice, try making your own sentences with amount. Think of uncountable things like water, sugar, or time. Then make sentences such as, the amount of water in the bottle is low. Practice speaking them aloud. The more practice, the easier it becomes to use amount correctly. In this lesson, the word amount was explained in simple steps. It means how much of something there is. It is used with uncountable things, while number is used with countable things. Keep practicing and listening to examples to remember the difference. Keep learning with Wordscience to make English fun, easy, and clear every day.